celebrate with the Indian their National Day. It feels so good actually, everyone happy in happy mood. So congratulations for your my husband, and he's from India, as you know. So Naina. So it's really nice day, good celebration. Everyone's so happy here. Let me show you the vibe. Oh my God! Look at this one. So funny. We become a group here. Blessings. This is the vibe. Look how many people are there. Everyone wearing the flag color of India. Everyone smiling, having like a good time, which is really so good. This is people are providing food here. So everyone so enjoying. It's really nice. So new. Let me show you the vibes behind me. All these people celebrating the National Day. Generation, they feel so happy because this is really big day. And not only Indian National Days, there are many other countries today, same day, National Day as well actually. Guys, we should buy flag.
Yes, we have to, but I'm looking there. I don't know where we can find it.
Because it feels so good if we have flag like them. It feels support really. Because everyone now supporting with the flag feels so nice. So happy really. Let me show you more the vibes. Look at the kids. Look at the kids, how happy are they? And here finally we found out someone is selling flags. So we will be getting like 3 flags for 3 of us. Here we found out someone who's reading the fortune. So let's experience this and let's see what will happen.
He will pick the card.
Okay, what's the...
So he told the name to him. Karima.
Karima.
Okay. Karima, whatever it is, you will say frankly, you will not hide it. You will go and help many people, but no one will help you. You have big thoughts and big thinking. Whatever you will think your future, it will happen. Okay.
Here we make a group with us. We become community. Reading the fortune. So it's just a joke. We are playing. So whatever he say, true or not true, it cannot be like 100% always. And it's just for joking. So only thing I heard, I loved it a lot. He said like, and I wish it will happen. This one, to be honest, like I will be helping lots of people. So that's my target and that's my wish really. I wish it will happen. So even we did the joke, but we end up with hearing nice things. So that's the good part. But still, as I said, joke, nothing to believe. And still, we are celebrating by ourselves now. Independence Day of India. So guys, now we are buying some ice creams. So now guys, to prove it for you that this is not 100% real and it's all joke, so we'll be trying with someone else. Let's see what he will say. Round 2. Let's see what he will say, if he will say the same thing or no. So let's see.
Imagine he will say the same thing.
It will be
both are brothers.
maybe. Let's see what they will say. This is Dr. Ambedkar, his statue. They kept it here as well in the middle. The people they celebrate.
He said they go from this.
Okay then.
Thank you.
Shukriya, brother. Hi. So it's from here, as he said, the guy, it's more clear. I want to show you. So nice, huge actually. Now they close the door, so you can see many people taking picture, video in front of it. It's really nice environment here. India flag. Thank you, brother. Thank you. Nice.
Okay.
Huh?
That he will. You have to tell him your like a star and planet and date of birth, that kind of things, and he will read.
Okay.
And the other one is the cards. The bird will pick the cards from
And the
there.
other one was that?
And the next ఏంటండి? Okay. ఇది
This one, this one.
okay.
What's the-
వీటికి ఏమైనా మీనింగ్ ఉందా? Okay. So after you will tell him, he will read it and he will throw it and it will come.
طيب, okay. Which one will choose? How much that one?
That one is 250. This one is 50 rupees.
Let's do the 50 rupees.
50 rupees.
Okay.
Okay. చిలక చిలక చెప్పమ్మ మా ఆవిడ జ్యోతికం. The money will not stand in your hand. Money will not stand in your hand. If you give to someone, it will not come back. It's me. Whatever you want to do it, you will do it. If you decide not to do it, you will never do it. You have a target on you. You're thinking that it will happen or not. Okay. There is a new person is coming to home. You got lots of cards.
శంకరుడు భద్రాచలం రాముల వారు, వినాయకుడు, పంచముఖి ఆంజనేయ స్వామి, శనీశ్వర దేవుడు, 11 దేవుళ్ళు వచ్చారండి అమ్మాయికి. గౌరీశ పంచాంగం చూడాలి జ్యోతిషం.
You got 12 gods.
Okay.
నీకు ఒకటే దేవుడు వచ్చింది కానీ అమ్మాయికి 11 దేవుళ్ళు
You
వచ్చారు.
got 12 gods.
పంచాంగం చూడాలి.
Okay.
గౌరీస్తే పంచాంగంలో తెలుస్తుంది జ్యోతిషం. మళ్ళీ ఫ్యూచర్ విషయంలో ఎట్లా ఉంది, ఆలోచన ఎట్లా జరిగేది, మొత్తం పంచాంగం చూసి చెప్పాలి, చూడాలి.
Huh? That's it? What
పంచాంగం
else?
చూడాలమ్మా, గౌరీసి
I have
జ్యోతిషం
to check
చూసి
your
మొత్తం చెప్పాలి.
stars and everything.
So guys, now we did the second one, and now this is completely different one. He's saying I have many cards, many lucks, things will happen, and there is other option. They have it. You can read with the book or something. So the one you read with the book, it's like more with details and more. He will go deeper. But this is nothing to believe in, as I wanted to mention for the people who believe. The first one, he said something completely different. Second one, he said completely other things different as well. So nothing to believe 100%. It's just a joke, and for fun we can do it like to just play. But never I advise you to believe these things. But here in India they have allowed this, and I know many people they believe on it. For maybe they think it can happen. For sure, some cases it can happen, but by coincidence. But I believe whatever, guys, you want to do it, you want it will make it happen. You believe that you can make it happen, it will happen no matter what. You don't need to let someone read for you and will decide your future. If you will tell you something bad, you start creating things inside you. You'll think, okay, bad about yourself, maybe this will happen to me. No, just always be positive. Think that, take it in a positive way. No need actually to read it, but if you are always interested, I know some people they like it. Just don't listen really. Only believe that you can see only the good things, and the good you can do it by yourself. That's all. And by the way, destiny can change by any time, so destiny doesn't stay the same. And now we went to a mall which is so near to us, and it was full of people. As you can see, even for the ice cream shop, for the Turkish ice cream, it's too much crowded. The vibes, it's so good here in the National Day because everyone holiday mood and everyone enjoying. Now guys, we will be sitting and having food. As you can see, the mall is too crowded, everyone here. It's a holiday day. Woo. Not even like not too much empty tables since there are many people eating, enjoying. So what?
Hungry.
So what we will order?
What we ordered? Biryani.
Biryani, biryani, biryani. Who did try biryani? So biryani is too famous food, guys. Like it's really amazing in India. You have to try it once you visit. And now we are trying some shawarma after a long time. Today we'll try shawarma in India. Hopefully it will taste good because I don't know if they are pro in shawarma or no. Let's see.
Now she have a mic because she said before we start, and he said wait, today. So
Ah.
I'm thinking you have a mic.
What you have? Show here. Ah! Independence Day gifts. Wow. Wow. First salary of the girl.
Mobile.
Mobile. I have a new mobile, I guess, guys. So lucky, yeah? Every year I will
I
celebrate
think she
here.
forgot in the home.
But no, every year I will celebrate here in this case. Wow.
Nice bag.
Wow, my style. So amazing. Thank you, Sony.
Traveling bag.
Guys, I have a new bag. Wow.
First salary.
First salary. Let's see the watch.
Yeah, let's see.
This is really a happy Independence Day.
Oh.
Every year we have to celebrate in India.
Oh. This is the one.
Wow.
Wear it. Wear it. Oh. Amazing. So proud of you.
This is all because of Independence Day.
Independence Day. I think it's Independence gift. I think I will take another gift later. Nice, thank you.
So guys, in India, in every Independence Day, they provide gifts. So you have to come to India every year. Every 15th of August, you have to be in India. You will get some nice gifts like this, nice food. Sony, she will give you the gifts. Yeah. Do visit India.
Come tomorrow. In Hyderabad.
So now I'll show you my food, guys. So this is shawarma. It looks like a miskin shawarma, baby shawarma. And this is what?
It's a Tuscan chicken with the smoked
Tuscan
meat with,
chicken. Oh.
with the brown bread and healthy cheese and everything.
Oh, and coffee. Nice. Sony, what you will eat? This small shawarma. Let's eat. So Sony, tell me what you said about this watch.
You know Virat Kohli, the cricketer? Yeah, it's his brand. Wrong.
Wow, beautiful, guys. As you can see, the watch is so amazing. So soft. Publicity for the watch now.
My wife's favorite drink.
This is my favorite drink in India. It's mostly only in Chennai, I guess.
The second drink is limca, I think.
Limca, yes. This is the first before Limca, but this is
Soda.
all in Chennai.
Only Chennai, and it's rarely you find it some places. Luckily, I found it here.
Yeah, because we didn't find here in Hyderabad. We looked for it a lot. So now I will enjoy with this. Let me show you as well my shawarma.
Open it.
Ah, no, I cannot open it. You open it, Sonia. Sorry. Open it. So painful. Let's open the shawarma together, guys. Let's see. How is it? Wow. Okay, they know how to make this bread. Proper. Good start.
Inside there is nothing. No
Good
salad,
start.
no nothing.
Okay, no need.
Only chicken.
Only chicken? No French fries?
Rupees for each.
Here we buy the ticket for a sightseeing, which is in the water. You will be seeing like the Buddha statues. We'll be going by the boat, and let's see how it will look like. In India, as you can see, everyone holiday coming to enjoy. Look at the boat, how crowded it is. All these people going to Buddha statue. Let's go. So guys, now we arrived to the Statue of Peace. everyone with flags, everyone wearing like a colorful orange, green, the white India flag. You see India flag everywhere today. Don't forget to support with your comments and share as much as you can this video, and see you in another video. Bye!